Okay, this is a tutorial for a group of people I work for. This is not, I repeat, not a Second Life tutorial. It's about a wiki and page creation. If you're looking for Second Life tutorials, please go to my profile and look for them. This is not part of the series. Okay, since we've been having problems with this, I'm going to go over page creation. Another website that offers a little bit of help on this. And a little bit about requesting a disambiguation page, or a disambig page, as some people call it. Okay, I've already logged in. Let me go ahead and... The camera's not quite centered. I'm sorry about that. Oop. Yeah, I didn't select it quite right. There we go. Sorry about that. The video might jerk a little bit. But as you can see, I'm already logged in. It's Patriot, owner of this wiki, and the pretty much the tech dude for all this. Thus, this video will be born. But okay, let's say you want to create a video. See, I'm used to making videos for Second Life. I'm sorry. Let's say you want to create a page related to an article about immigration statistics from the year 2005 to the year 2007. Okay, you'd have to go to the search, what would you call it? The search bar. It's not really a search bar, it's more like a search box. I'm not quite sure what the terminology is on a wiki, but nonetheless, the search feature of the left menu on this wiki, as it is with most wikis. Type in, let's say, as a general summary, just type in immigration statistics 2005 through 2007, just a dash, and hit go. So you can see search results. You searched for immigration statistics 2005-2007. There is no page titled what I typed in. You can create this page. Create this page is in red text. Go ahead and click that. And as you can see, it brings you to the editing page. Editing immigration statistics 2005-R through 2007. Okay. Ignore this right here. That's not important. I created this page before as a tutorial, but it didn't work too well. I needed to create a video. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, let's say you don't know how to format. I'll try to go into formatting later on. For now, I'm really not going to, because that could take a few videos, and I probably will later on. For now, though, let's go to simple copy and pasting. I'll either come in behind people and format it, or they can do it later, or if it's simple enough, it shouldn't even matter. But you can click and drag from the beginning. I'm going to use this here, this text here, as an example, because I don't feel like opening up multiple windows and trying to fit them all into the camera right now. It'd take up too much time. But you can click and drag from the beginning to the end, whatever you're going to copy. As you can see, I can keep selecting different parts of the page that way. You can click and drag from beginning to end, or you can click, just one click right at the very beginning, go to the end without holding down. Just click at the beginning, don't hold down. Nothing will happen. It doesn't look like anything's happened. Hold down your shift key and press the click at the very end just once, and it should select it all. Now hold down your control key and press C. As soon as you press the C key, light up on both keys of your keyboard. Okay, it will be copied now internally. You're not going to see it. It won't tell you anything. None of what I'm doing will really show you that it's working, except that your text will all be highlighted on the select text feature. Now just come down here onto your editing canvas, you could call it, editing area. Click on it to where you're selected, and you can type like so, and press Control V. That'll paste. Okay, now you just go down here. Don't worry about anything down here except for this little license thing. Once you read it, you're fine. And save page. Depending on what browser you're in, there are shortcuts, but Most likely you're not an extremely fast wiki editor, so you don't really even have much use for that. So you can see the page has been created. Now you can always go back unless it is protected, which you can see here I can protect the page. Only a system op can do this, remember. So don't even try to look for it, because you won't be able to find it. Waste of time. We all waste our time, but that's one unnecessary waste of time. As you can see, it is created. You can always go back if I don't protect it, or another system op, and hit the edit key, and you can go in and edit. Like, let's say you want to add more detail, overview with 2 equal signs. Like I said, I'll go into formatting later on. And as you can see, right here, overview has been put in. It's a level 2 header, which will, if you have enough of those, a contents box will pop up right around here with all the different ones. That's pretty much how you create a page, though. I'm going to go ahead and delete this, though, because this is just a tutorial and I'm not leaving unnecessary space takers on my server. But another great thing to learn from, MediaWiki.org. This is Wikimedia Foundation software. This is their the software's website that they made. This has every kind of resource you could ever need. It even has all that I've spoken of and more about just creating a page in an entire page they've written out. So you can see they have help for users, system administrators, and developers. If you look on the left menu, you're going to see under Support, Help. You click on that, and bingo, you have an incredible amount of resource to pick from. Starting a new page is right there. MediaWiki.org/wiki/help:starting a new page. All spaces have underscore, but this is very easy to find. Just go to MediaWiki.org. Search around, you're going to find quite a bit. And if you think about starting your own wiki, this is a good place to go. You can download it here. This is the official place to download. They have old versions that they don't even really support anymore, all the way up to the new version that they just released a couple weeks ago. That's beyond the scope of this tutorial, but this is the main place to go. Really, that's all that I can really show you on page creation. Until another video, I'll try to go into a little bit more detail about certain features, but that's really about it. If you have any problems, you can contact me, patriot@mycountryIwantitback.com. If you're part of the group, you know me already and you know how to contact me. But if not, like I said, my email. Well, have fun with the wiki. And remember, you cannot break it. There is no way to break that wiki software. It can always be fixed in one click.